Hey everyone, it's Sabrina. For this week's Project Life Friday, now on a Saturday, I am going to do a bunch of the end pages for the different months. I have July through October in this video, and I'm excited to wrap up these pages because I keep forgetting to do them. So for this one, it's July, and I printed a bunch of digital pieces, and then I'm gonna I pop dot the today, which was a chipboard, and then I stamped out Never Stop Exploring, and then I went ahead and switched my kids sitting at the pool to the outdoor adventures. That just made more sense. And then that way the little details I can journal and jot down just a little list of what was going on around the end of the month, and that way I can finish up the page. I just stamped a little sentiment, and then I'm going to talk about how we like to do family movies in the afternoon and how we've been enjoying bike rides and we love being at the community pool. And then I will be done with this page and I can move on to August. Now for August, I had the purples and the blues and the greens. So I went to my digitals and I was able to use the August digital kit. I believe it's for last year. And I just changed the color of one of the circles, extracted it in Photoshop Elements, and made it pink. And so it worked out really great, and I'm very excited to put this page together. Also use my Cameo to die cut out that title that says More Time Doing Things, Doing This, and I really love that. And for my kids' photo on the lawn, I split that in half. It's a 4x6, and I just put it in the two 3x4 pockets, and it's still going to work out great. Like I said, I took a 4x6 digital card and I extracted the circles right here so that way I could use them. So I have a blue one and I have the green and white one, and I pop dotted that one, and then I changed the yellow to a pink. I was missing a piece, so I had that printed out, and now I'm going to cut that out. It was a prompt for the card, wrap-up card that I wanted. Thankful, documenting the good stuff, so I needed that card. And at the bottom, I needed two more little shapes, so I could put those down at the bottom. And then I just trim off what I don't need. And then one last piece that I needed was around here. I'm going to put that up with a sprinkler photo. And then so thankful for these August moments, my son and his friends playing soccer. So I have all those pieces, and then I just decided that the blue circle could use a little stamp sentiment. So I put the stories of right now, and then in the pink one, I'm going to put a different sentiment. I think I put details and right now or something like that. But I stamped it twice, and now I'm just going to do the little list to recap the month, talking about how sprinkler is still the favorite summer activity, soccer season is in full swing, and how we have enjoyed celebrating 2 birthdays, and I love capturing the silly cats doing silly things. All right, it's going to be September. And I was really inspired by that physical card with the leaves on it, but I didn't have a card for the middle, so I went and got the digital kit and changed the color from red to that orange. So I'm focusing more on the orange and the pinks in this kit and the greens. So I really like that, and it's different than you would think for a September color scheme. Down at the bottom, it was National Son Day and then National Daughter Day. So I made a collage and shared it on Instagram. And I'm just trying to figure out how I want to put them both on a 4x6 photo. I just trimmed them off, and so they're very narrow, but that's okay. And I have a chipboard piece that I cut out with my Cameo, and it says this, so I put it down there. Also have one for the soccer photo that says love, and then September life with my kids in the afternoon. This card had a lot of room for listing out everything that was going on in September, so I went all out with the journaling and just talking about how great of a month it was, how we had field trips, and we had soccer season continuing, celebrating the National Daughter Sunday. And then on that little card, I just talked about the afternoon and how we do homework, and my daughter finds something to do, and I just kind of sit there and supervise. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the last page, which is October, and I have a bunch of pieces already laid out, several old journaling cards from Stories by the Month a couple years ago, and I'm very excited to do the orange and kind of the deep teal blue, I'd want to say. I also had die cutted Celebrating Now, and so I put that on the journaling card with a pumpkin, and then I'm going to use a wood veneer piece that says Autumn Memories. And you saw me put down leaf play for my son's photo, and then I have another falling leaves chipboard down at the bottom right. So this page was super quick to put together, and I love October and December. They are definitely a tie, and I love those months. So down at the bottom, I had another die cut piece that I made that said Just Love, and then a chipboard, story, and then a wood veneer. So the same pattern for both of the DIY cards. And then I decided to stamp on them. The one right there that I just stamped, I put This Is Our Life, and then at the bottom I put Current Awesome Stuff. And then I decided not to journal on this page. There's a lot going on in October, so it was kind of self-explanatory. All right, 4 pages all wrapped up and done. Quick and simple, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these come together, got some ideas for your pages, and I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.